So we have here another problem for integration of inverse trigonometric function. So as you can see, meron na po yung square root. Okay, may square root na po siya dyan. So pag may square root na dyan, you already have the hint na hindi na po yan siya arctangent. It could be arcsine or arcsec. Okay, so dito, again, if we're dealing with inverse trigonometric function, dapat naka-squared po yung baba, okay, numerator natin. But of course, as you can see, it's already naka-squared na po siya kasi 1 raised to 2 is still equal to 1, or kahit lagyan mo ng square root tapos squared dyan, still equal to 1. So that's understandable na yung 1 natin ay that's directly na your A, okay? So our A here is of course 1. Okay, so our U here is ln T. Okay, ito siya, yung U natin. And after taking your U, you have to get the derivative of ln T, which is dt over T. Diba? And as you can see sa given po natin, we already have dt over T. So basically, this is now our du. So if we will rewrite that one, that will become du, okay, over square root of a squared minus u squared. Okay, so alin dyan sa formula yung ating gagamitin? It should be a squared. So a squared minus u squared. So ito. So our answer should be arcsine. Okay, so arcsine, it will be arcsine of our u, which is c ln T plus C. Of course, don't forget plus C. So, ganun lang po kadali yung inverse trigonometric function.